Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you subscribe. It is the red button that is right underneath this video, and all you have to do is press that red button. If it turns gray, you're in. It's free, nobody calls you, nobody writes to you. It's solely to support me on the YouTube platform. Thank you. Also, if you do want to receive an email from YouTube that I did just post a new video, all you have to do is press the bell that is beside that subscribe button, and YouTube will send you one email just telling you that I posted a new video. All right, let's get started. Finally got the IPSY Glam bag. This is the now $12 a month bag, and it comes with 5 sample size items. Really excited to share this with you guys. Okay. Let's get started. The bag that came in here is the cutest. It is the Betty Boop bag, and on the outside it has this really cool fabric here. And then inside here on the zipper you have a cute little bee, and then when you open it up it is black inside and it says Betty Boop times IPSY. It is the cutest. Really happy to get this. All right, all these IPSY bags come with a little card. They also have a little note on the back of this one that I'm going to read to you guys so that you guys don't forget. It is time to get personalized. They allow you now to customize one item in your bag, no matter if it's the $12 bag, the $25, or the $50. And this one, it says, next one is going to be on October the 23rd. Okay, so this bag for this month is October of 2019, but on October 23rd, you will be able to customize a product in your November bag, but it is going to be on October 23rd. So that's it. That's all on there. And then inside here, we have the card with all of the products that we're getting. I will be looking down at the card to read to you what they wrote about the products, and then we'll go through each product one at a time. All right, the first item that's in my bag is They're Real. It is the Benefits They're Real Lengthening Mascara in Jet Black. They're saying that Benefit was founded by 2 sisters in San Francisco. They're saying it's a quirky brand that pulls the fun back into makeup without sacrificing any of the quality. It's a multitasking mascara that will help curl, separate, lift, and volumize with staggered bristles that will grip your lashes close to the root, coating even to the teeniest ones. The tip they're saying is to hold the wand horizontally and swipe through the length of your lashes, and then hold it vertically to target your hard-to-reach lashes. They also have it also comes in this really cute retail box, which I think is really amazing. So if you even want to use this as a stocking stuffer. And then it says on the box here that it's 95% saw dramatic lengthening and voluming in their lashes. 90% saw the base to tip curl. 94% saw it visibly lifted, and 100% said they saw long wearing results. I have been very lucky with all the Benefit mascaras. I've been enjoying them. I think they're absolutely phenomenal. And what I like about this one and what makes it a little bit different, I usually like brush wands better. This one is that plastic hard bristles, but it has that ball on the top, which is such a game changer. It really makes a difference when you're doing your lower lash lines. You literally have to just do like that and you're in. They are done. No problems at all. So really happy to get this in a sample size. The next item was my pick. It is from Betty Boop. I wanted to get something in my bag that was from Betty Boop because that was their theme this month. And I wanted to try a satin lipstick in the color Mauve was the one that I chose. It has a safety plastic on it. I'm just gonna tear that off. Oh look, it has a fantastic pair of lips on the top here. The packaging is really beautiful, and that's the color that I chose, and I'm just going to swipe it. Oh, it's creamy on my back of my hand. It's a gorgeous color. So happy I got that. Let's see what they wrote to us on this. Yeah, it's a satin lipstick in Mauve. It's Baby, introducing our limited edition collection in partnership with the iconic beauty muse Betty Boop. This is a satin finish mauve lip color. It's highly pigmented, it's non-drying, and it feels light on your lips. It is a neutral shade and it's so versatile. You wear it from work to weekend and any occasion in between. They're saying the tip for them is to apply a hydrating lip balm to get your lips nice and smooth. Then swipe a coat of this lip color onto your lips, blot the lips on a clean tissue, then repeat for a full coverage effect. That I think is gorgeous. So really, really happy with my choice. Okay, the next item that we have here is from a company called Bunac IQ. I've never heard of this brand, which is why I love IPSY. They introduced me to so many new brands. And this one here is a butter lip cheek and balm in peach blush. So I think it's this guy here. That's what the packaging looks like. And the back here. And what it says on the back here. I don't know if that will come up on screen. Perfect. Okay, so now it says it's a butter lip and cheek balm in peach blush. They're saying this brand is all about the good stuff and none of the bad. It says it creates plant-based products that naturally nourish and protect and strengthen the skin. They're saying it is a multitasking cream balm that delivers a flush of radiant peach to cheek or your lips. They're saying the tip is to apply it to the cheeks, lips, or your eyelids, using your fingertips to build more intensity, or use with a blush brush and sweep on the color. So this also has a safety plastic on it. Let me just see if I can get that off. I usually like to open these beforehand. I apologize. Just give me one sec. It just says on the plastic, not for resale. Okay, and then on here, that's what it looks like on the inside. And we will take a little swoop inside the pot so we can get some color on my finger to show you guys. And then we will place it right beside. Oh, it's a really, really pretty color. And it's not slippery, so I really think it'll be long lasting. Really, really pretty. Nice, nice color. All right, the next item on here is a sugar scrub by the company called Kismet. It looks like this. And that's the color that's inside here. And that's what the jar looks like. Just beautiful. Okay, I really, really enjoy these $12 bags. Okay, Kismet is a buff sugar lip scrub in bright and bubbly. It says the fact is this lip scrub will help your lipstick last longer and look better. Thanks to the exfoliating sugar crystals and moisturizing shea butter. It also has vitamin C. It's a sweet pink champagne flavor. You won't be able to resist. You're going to reapply it every chance you get. Their tip is before applying your lip color, massage a small amount of this lip scrub onto your lips and gently wipe off with a soft tissue. I really enjoy sugar scrubs. Let me see what we have here. Right, it has an extra safety seal when you open it. I love when sample sizes really, really go the extra distance. And I find samples that have safety seals or retail boxes, it just adds extra value to me. All right, that's what it looks like there. Let's just take a little bit on my hand. It is a typical sugar scrub. Oh, it smells delish. Oh my God. Okay, and that's that there. And you definitely feel the sugar, and then, but it is not abrasive. It is really, really pretty. And that's it right there. That's what it looks like on the back of my finger. Perfect. All right, and then the last item that we have in here is, it says it's from a company called Comptoir Sud Pacifique. It says it's vanilla, apricot, and it's an eau de toilette. It says if we were to bottle the scent of an exotic vacation, this would be it. It says it is a perfume that will transport you to the tropical islands of the South Pacific. This warm, sweet, and irresistible fragrance has notes of apricot, papaya, vanilla, and more. It says tip, spritz the fragrance lightly onto the pulse points and allow it to dry naturally on your skin. Don't rub it in. so it will last all day. Store it in a cool place, a dry place, or just make sure it is out of direct sunlight. Also came in a full retail box. That's what it looks like here. And my tweezer trick to open this up to make sure that I do not tear the box. It works every time. All right, and then I like when we get perfume samples. This is actually a really nice size one that has an actual spritzer on the top, as opposed to the ones that has that stopper that you pull out and it ends up having to dip it back and forth on your wrist like that. I also grew up that used to put it and then rub it, and they're saying not to do that. So we're gonna make sure not to do that. So I'm gonna just spray it on the card because I already have some perfume on. It has a nice spritz. Oh, it's beautiful. Really, really pretty. You could definitely smell the vanilla in there. Very, very pretty. Really pretty. Definitely will be using that. So thank you. All right. Once again, this was the IPSY bag. That's $12 now. I think it was an absolute win, especially now you can customize a product. So we got our Their Real mascara, the lipstick from Betty Boop. We got the blush lip tint. We got a lip scrub as well as a perfume deluxe sample with a spritzer. So really, really happy. Once again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I really hope you do. It is the red button that's right underneath the video. You press it, it turns gray, you're in. It's free, no one calls you, no one writes you. It's really easy, but it really helps me on the YouTube platform. Hopefully you will check some other unboxings that I've already posted. And this month we still have a lot more to share with you. So hope you tune in and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye for now.